Want to know how to maximize event rankings without spending gems? So in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply you need to know that event rankings in KingsRoad can reward rare items and heroes as well. So for that, you need to focus on high value stages instead of low tier ones. So use buffs, stamina refills and your strongest heroes strategically. Don't waste them on stages you can clear easily. So you should save them up for actual strong battles and not just small ones. So make sure you also complete daily objectives alongside events for extra points as well. So smart planning keeps you at the top of ranking while staying free to play. That's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.